We all want to be more productive, but no one tells you the real secret. Your brain doesn't want to work. It wants to conserve energy, avoid discomfort, and chase short-term pleasure. That's not laziness, it's biology. So, what do? You learn to outsmart it. Your brain is powerful, but it runs on patterns. And if you learn how to control those patterns, you control everything. Your focus, your energy, even your willpower. So here are 14 ways to trick your brain into working for you, not against you. Number 1, forget motivation. Most people think productivity starts with motivation. It doesn't. Motivation is unreliable, it fades, it lies to you. But action is real. The trick is to act before your brain talks you out of it. This is called the 2-minute rule. If a task feels overwhelming, break it down until it takes less than 2 minutes to start. Not finish, just start. Open the doc. Write the first sentence. Fold one shirt. When your brain sees small tasks, it lowers its defenses. Once you start, your brain releases dopamine. That's the reward chemical. It's like your brain saying, "Nice job, let's keep going." Dopamine builds momentum, and momentum beats motivation every time. Number 2, use your environment. Your brain takes cues from your surroundings. That's why you can't focus in a messy room or crowded space. Clean space, clean mind. Want to write more? Leave a notebook open. Want to read more? Put your book on your pillow. Design your space to guide your actions. Number 3, the Zeigarnik effect. This psychological trick says your brain hates unfinished tasks. When you start something even a little, your brain keeps nagging you to finish it. Use that. Start tasks just enough to trigger that open loop. You'll feel driven to close it. Number 4, hack novelty. Something wild. Your brain loves novelty. It craves it. That's why social media is addictive. Every swipe is new, so use novelty to your advantage. Switch locations, change how you start tasks, use new apps. Novelty resets focus. Number 5, time perception. Ever noticed how a 5-minute task stretches into 30 when you dread it? Your brain overestimates pain and underestimates momentum. So set a timer, just 10 minutes. Your brain can handle 10 minutes, but once you're in it, time melts away. Number 6, rewards. Your brain loves pleasure, so give it something to chase. Promise yourself a treat after finishing a task. Coffee, a walk, your favorite show. This taps into your brain's reward system. But don't just use big rewards. Micro rewards work even better. They create a loop, task, reward, repeat. Number 7, multitasking myth. Ever try to multitask and feel like your brain just crashes? That's because your brain can't focus on 2 hard things at once. Switch tasking drains energy. Focus on one thing, then rest, then switch. It's not just more productive. It's how your brain is wired. No. 8, anchor. Link a habit to an existing one. For example, after brushing your teeth, write down 3 goals. After breakfast, read for 5 minutes. Your brain connects the actions. This makes new habits automatic. Number 9, sleep. Don't underestimate sleep. Productivity doesn't start in the morning, it starts the night before. Poor sleep destroys your willpower. Your brain needs rest to filter thoughts, regulate emotions, and strengthen memory. Sleep is a productivity hack disguised as rest. Number 10, finish strong. Your brain always remembers how you finish, not how you start. End strong. Always. Even if the day started slow, finish one thing. That single win at the end rewires your brain to expect success, not failure. Number 11, talk to yourself. Literally. Your internal voice affects your performance. Say, "I can do this," or "just 5 minutes," or "let's finish this one step." Your brain listens, it responds, it believes what it hears the most. Number 12, focus on purpose. Your brain will always find reasons to delay unless it believes the task is meaningful. Tie your tasks to purpose. Remind yourself why it matters. Purpose beats willpower every time. Number 13, the breaks. Don't ignore your energy cycles. Your brain has peak hours. For most people, it's the first few hours after waking. Use that window for hard work. Use low energy hours for simple tasks. Stop fighting your biology. Sync with it. And number 14, be kind. Self-shame kills productivity. If you fall off track, don't spiral. Reset, breathe, begin again. Your brain isn't broken. It's just waiting for you to lead. Because in the end, productivity isn't about hacks. It's about understanding your brain's rules and bending them to your will. And once you learn that skill, there's no goal you can't reach.